We got Kapit, lady underscore Kamai chef. Kapit, so let's try it. This is addictive. It's really good.
Hi, my name is Leiloha and I am here starting my first video, and I am excited to share my journey with you guys, and I hope you guys can join me with my journey, and I will be sharing you guys how to spread positivity and have fun to be inspired.
구독, 좋아요, 알림 설정 많이 해주세요.
Bam! What's up, my friends? Welcome to my channel. It's so nice to see you guys. So I hope you guys are having a good day. So today I'm gonna be doing a taste. Well, we got Kapit. So this one is by Paul's Kitchen, and their Instagram is lady underscore Kamai underscore chef. So go check out their Instagram, and I'm about to try their Kapit with mango. Let's go. You can eat this like an appetizer or a dessert. This is my first time trying Paul's Kitchen Kapit, so let's try it. It smells good. Wow. How come it tastes familiar? It kind of give me that shrimp. You know that shredded shrimp? When you go buy down in the store, it's in a pack, and when you eat that, that's what I'm tasting from this. I like it. Not too spicy. Ooh, this is addictive. I can just sit here and eat the whole time on my channel. You guys need to try this. Go to Paul's Kitchen. The Instagram is Lady Kamai Chef. Check out their Instagram and order from them. This Kapit is really good. I literally just finished eating rice and Cambodian sausages and turua, and I'm really full. And now I'm eating mango with Kapit, and I'm getting really full. You guys can tell when I'm full, like I'm getting full, is when I barely cannot hold my eyes. It's like I'm falling asleep. You know, Fukoma.
Can they hear you? Yeah.
Yep. Can you guys hear me? It's really good.
Show them your Cambodian dance and then put the Cambodian music in the background.
So, what was it? When we moved here, and it was our first Cambodian New Year's here in Hawaii, there was a dance line, a Cambodian dance line, and I went and joined. It was really fun, and I learned some dance. You go like, and you have to like go like this, and then it's so like, I don't know, it was so different. The culture, the dancing, oh my gosh. And I was just dancing with random people.
I'm sorry, this mango is really good.
It's all playing in my head, that's why.
Very addicting. Very addicting. Alright. It is really good. You guys should really go check out Paul's Kitchen. Thank you for the Kapit. It was really good, and I'm really enjoying it. It's really addicting, especially the sauce, the Kapit. I couldn't eat this all day. But thank you so much for the Kapit. I hope you guys enjoy this review / mukbang. And guys, have a wonderful week and stay tuned, and I will see you guys soon. Peace! Bye! Eat more, Kapit.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving.